Hello everybody, my name is Chelsey and I am a Children's Services Assistant with Clearview Library District. Hello and welcome back to our October edition of Family Cooking Challenge. This month we are presenting Rice Krispie Treats and I hope that we are going to have so much fun with this. Happy fall, it's October, yay! I hope that school and work is going well for everyone and everyone is staying happy and healthy. Welcome back. So September was hugely successful. Thank you so much for everyone that registered and participated. We got some really awesome submissions, everything from Cookie Monster to Skittles and M&Ms and all kinds of wonderful ingredients that you guys added to your family cupcakes. I'm so excited that it went so well. So thank you so much for participating. Congratulations to the Jackson family, who I chose as our winner. And they came and picked up their kit, which just includes all kinds of fun cooking stuff to keep you guys in the kitchen. So welcome back. It's October 2nd. It is Friday. We're going to have a really great weekend. For those of you who have picked up your kits, you have already seen what is in there. We are doing Rice Krispie Treats. So this is going to be a fun one. This is one that you guys can add all kinds of wonderful ingredients to, fun ingredients. I'm going to kick it up a notch and actually ask you guys to decorate them. Make them fun. It's October. Halloween's coming up. It may be canceled. It may not. But decorate it. Have fun with it. And again, so send your submissions to me. So that's Chelsey@clearviewlibrary.org. You're getting the emails from me so you know how to get them. Make sure you get your kits picked up. Your kits are at the library, already assembled for you. In there we've got just a little bit of instructions. And we have the marshmallows and the crispy cereal. So all you have to add is butter. But yeah, add ingredients, still make it edible, but something fun, different, creative, delicious. Decorate them however you want. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Send them to me. And again, you have 2 weeks, so you've got until October 16th, Friday. Get those into me. I will announce the winner I will let the winner know the next Monday, and then we'll announce the winner again next month. So we've got some fun stuff coming up for you. Again, we're doing this for several months, so hopefully you guys will keep joining us. Tell your friends. Let's get some more submissions. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Have fun, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, guys.